All right, good evening, everyone. As usual, I am live streaming right now. So if you want to come by, I live stream almost every night at around 6:30-ish, 8:30-ish EST. Uh, it's always a fun time because you get to watch me type. Yeah, it's really fun. Anyways, tonight we are doing some front end styling, and that's about it. I've already gotten the basic style sheet that I want copied over from node modules. So we're going to start there and we're just going to be tweaking that for a while. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to start by actually closing both of these windows uh, and then pushing this to 3 and then going back to 3 and then just so I can actually see what I'm doing both sides here. Okay, so I do want to design this mobile first as much as possible. I'm gonna throw this in full screen real quick, shrink it down. Okay. And for that, I actually realize this might be a little bit of pain to this shouldn't be a pain. We should be fine. We're gonna make it work. Anyways, okay. So yeah, this is fine. So we're gonna start at 400. And yeah, we're just gonna start from here, and whatever we have to do, we will do it. Yeah. Okay. So, what style sheet cannot be loaded? What are you mad about? Um, I think it's just the profile picture. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what it's mad about then. All right. Well, whatever. It's not a big deal. So, yeah. So we're gonna start by. I think I need to go. Well, yeah. So we're gonna start by just changing up the width of this to be correct for all sizes down to 400 pixels. And 400 pixels is the smallest I design for normally. I'm aware that some mobile devices go down to like 380, 370 pixels, but it's not worth it to go that far down for me normally. So yeah, we just stay here. But anyways, I do believe that I have button. I do believe that I have something in a CSS file that create. Oh, yep, here it is. I guess that's what I was looking for. This is gonna be yoinked, and then we're gonna go over to not for go back over to easymd.css, and I'm gonna paste this up here. Even though we're gonna comment it for right now. Uh, so this is great. This looks fine because I can go type, type, type. I need to figure out why it's doing those little highlights. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why, but we'll figure it out. And the other thing that I know I need to do off the top of my head is I need to style what marked, which is my markdown render renders. That was a whole slurry of words. It means I need to style the output of my blog post, basically. So, yeah. Um, so first, let's start. Well, yeah, let's just start top down. Let's go with the little title bar here. That's not going to be that fancy, but still, that's going to be something in app.css. So go here, see that's an input that we don't want all the time. Um, is that being, that should be getting styles from that. I don't know why it wouldn't be. Can I hide this? Doesn't look like I can. Oh, oh, okay, cool, cool, cool. I can. Awesome. Um, oh, actually, okay, so it probably is getting styles from that, but there's not really any styles for that. So, uh, maybe my amazing title. Let me think where I have my inputs stored because I did a silly and I put them in a CSS file that I shouldn't have. Um, Probably in settings, I think. Yeah, here we go. There's only one input. Okay, it's only this, that's fine. So let me just yank this, go to app.css. Goes here, title bar. And I need to hop over to create post.jsx and give this the ID of title bar, wherever it may be, or it's just title in this case. And that's the only title ID we have, so that is great. Okay, so that looks a little bit better, but definitely need to change something. So we're gonna do subheader font size for this. I want to say it's too big, but I don't think it is. I'm gonna stick with that for now. And of course, I need to limit the width. So width will be 95% of its container. It's gonna look like that, which is great. And I also need to throw margin 0 auto on there. That should. Why is that not pushing it to center? Let's see. I'm sure I'm doing a little silly or something. No, that should work. Input title. Let's save it. No, I did save it. Okay, we'll figure that out in a second. This might be a Flexbox. That might be why it's not doing that. But yeah. Also, can I go ahead and just see? I'd like to see the width of this or how it's defined if it is. 'Cause if it is, then I can just go ahead and make the width of my title bar the same, which would be nice. It would just make it look a little bit cleaner. But if I can't, then I'm not gonna fret over it. I will live. So yeah, I'll just deal with that for now. So the other thing that I do want to do is make sure that create post that does have a line item center on it, but it doesn't need justify. No, because justify content would just justify it vertically. So I mean, honest, I don't know why this isn't centering with margin 0 auto. 'Cause it should be, unless something's overriding it. I didn't see that in Firefox. So yeah, let me try align self. See if that does anything. No. Um, yeah, no, nothing's overriding it. I can see margin 0 out in Firefox just fine. Um, okay, we're gonna have to figure this out at some point, but yeah. Okay, for now, I'm just gonna keep going down. I'll come back to that. It's not super important. So, all right, so we got this. That looks nice. The only thing, my tile that keeps going. Do I want to do that or do I want it to wrap? I think I should want to do that. That way I'm not having to deal with anything else. Um, and I mean, realistically, how long is this title? Like, I don't know. Maybe I should have it wrap. I'm gonna overthink it. Never mind. We'll do that later. Um, okay, so now I want to try and find this, which is going to be in easy empty.css. So what is that? That's CM. Oh, CM's. Okay, so that it's mad because that's a spelling error. Okay, I don't like that. It's not bad, but like, yeah, I'm not a huge fan of that. What do I do about that? Do I keep it? Or, because I thought it got words like, I thought I got, yeah, because you see, it's marking yay as incorrect, and that's clearly not incorrect. Does it not mark? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of that. And the one reason that I'm fine with removing that is that I personally, I don't write my blog post on the sites that I post them, which is dev2, by the way, shameless plug. Uh, I write them in Google Docs and I paste them in, and then I see how they look there. Because just how the site looks always changes how it reads, at least a little bit. So, yeah, in that case, I'm going to remove any instance of this, which I think is just this. Okay, so that should be, yeah, okay. So I removed that, which, yeah, you might have a different opinion on that than me. I wouldn't blame you. But, okay, for now, okay, you know what? I am going to add a wrap to that. And I also need to style the button at the bottom when I get this done. So this is going to be, I think it should just be text wrap? I'm not sure. No, overflow. No. I had to do this. Overflow wrap. Um, I might have to look up wrap inputs because I forget if it's, yeah, you want, let me just do that. Wrap inputs. That's fine. I should see. Oh, okay. So, okay, in that case, it's going to be this. And I'm not too worried about that simply because I think for the most part, I don't think anyone's going to be like seriously writing a blog post on a mobile device. I make it mobile friendly because I think that's the right thing to do, and non-mobile friendly sites always piss me off, but I think that's fine. I think it's a big deal, but I do need to figure out why it's not centered. It's for life of me. I don't know why. Um, okay, so in that case, let's go here, and then do I have a create post CSS? I do not. So let me see. Should I? Oh, I can't do create post form. This shouldn't do anything though because the form is already properly uh spaced. Can you width min content? Nope, that's literally gonna be the minimum content. Um, yeah, guys, I don't know why this isn't having margin zero auto apply to it, because in theory it should. And yeah, I'm really confuzzled here. If I change this to like 85%. Yeah, it's still gonna do the same thing there. Hmm. Can you form hub content? I feel like that's a thing, but that might be a um call it Figma thing. Width. Oh, what are my options here? Auto shouldn't really be that much help. Let me look up a CSS noob question, which will be CSS margin zero auto not checking. I don't know why. Okay, so it must be block level. Okay. So what's the display type of this then? Is that the issue? I think. Or well, here I can just throw this on. Just throw on display block. We'll see if this works. Oh, okay, that did work. Yeah, I don't know why that didn't work initially, but thank you, random person of the internet. Okay, so in that case, that looks decent. So then we have this little button down here. Wonderful little button. Now we just need to find button. I think I can also just do create post button. Let's see. Oh, geez. Okay, not every button there. Not every button. That's not gonna look good. Oh my God. That just blew up in my face. That's fine though. Okay, so guessing there's a button style in here that I just never got for some reason. No, there really isn't. Where's the save? Oh wait, maybe it's saved. I think it is. So let me go here, save, grab. Oh, if I spell it properly, I'll probably have a better chance of finding it. No, okay, it is here. Okay, so let me go here, press the wrong button, go back to app CSS, and I'm gonna need to do, need to throw in a special something here. So create post. Actually, well, here, how about this? Let's just do save button. Paste this in here. Let's go to create post.jsx, and we will just give this a class is equal to save button. Wonderful. That looks beautiful. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that, but okay, so let me see. Can I just hide this? I mean, honestly, I'm tempted to just like hide this. I don't think the details are bad though. I'm gonna leave it for now. Yeah. It's not my fave, but like whatever. So from here, let me run back over here, and did I not commit the changes that I need to commit? No, I did. Okay. I just had a little like, wait, maybe I didn't. I don't know. I'll commit later. It's not a big deal. Um, okay. So the other thing that I need to do is customize the preview here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, oh, sorry. I make a little, I don't know why I create a new tab for that. I'm going to create a little paste bin real quick. And, sorry. I'm going to, this is full text. I'm going to test every single bit of text that I think it should render. So italic text. And then I'm going to make sure that it actually does that in the preview. Or if it doesn't do that in the preview or it doesn't do it the way that I want it to, then I will, change it. Anyways, this is a level 1 heading. This is a level 2 heading. This is a quote. This is a multi-line quote. And go ahead and do, let's see what else we got. This is a generic list and another list item. This is a numbered list and another numbered list item. And let's have a link. Let's just do google.com is never a bad idea. Probably, hopefully, who knows. A link. This is a link to Google. And we throw this in here. Awesome. And this is a link to an image. And I know I just closed my paste, but I'm going to save this as a file actually, because I feel like I'm going to be testing this again. So yeah. So let me So that's great. This is a link to an image. Let me just go to Imgur. Hopefully there's nothing wildly political. There always is, I swear. Okay. Stupid meme. Awesome. Perfect. Wait, I should have copied the image link. Copy image link. And throw it in there. That's the preview. That's okay. Let me go here and I'm gonna go to readme. I'm just gonna add this to the testing. Notes test testing markdown. Testing markdown. Use this bit of markdown to test any markdown enters. Make this. There we go. Paste this here. Awesome. Okay, very cool. So hop back over to app.css for now. So let's see what isn't working correctly. I know the quotes need to be formatted. Other than that, I don't know what else. Let's see. So the images. Hmm, hold on, I do want to look that up. Use the empty image. Actually, I'm losing it. Wait, hold on. I just realized I can probably just size this by oh, that's the wrong button. Uh, by this and not having to yeah, do it in some weird way. So yeah, that should be not hard at all. So let me go. Let me hop over to easymd.css and look at image. Is that the only what? Is that the only image? That is the only image according to this. So let me see in CSS like what else there is. Oh, I just realized I need to write tests. I'm not gonna do that right now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and reopen the issue. Where this is right here. Um, reopen issue. I forgot to write tests and comment. Okay. But we'll do that later. For now, we're just gonna focus on getting this formatted. All right. Don't need this actually. We don't need that anymore. Let's just see what else we got in terms of image or CSS. Actually, there's like, yeah, no, there's really almost nothing else. I wonder if this, let's see, is that it? Oh, yep, that's it. Okay. That was something I did. And on that note, I've just realized that my video is running a bit long, so I'm going to go ahead and stop recording now. If you have watched this long, thank you very, very, very much. Please do consider subscribing. I know everybody says that, but I'm going to say as well. Yeah, thanks for watching, and feel free to check out this live stream. Bye-bye.